Hi!
So to start things off, what do I hate about the car? What do you hate about the car, Soph?
Everything.
Alright, sound. You don't like it. Bang, bang! Before things that we like about the car, first I'm going to say what I hate about the car. First thing is, I hate how low it is, but at the same time, I love how low it is. For that stance life, hashtag slammed. But when I'm on about low, I'm also mean trying to get in the car because it touches my head. Sorry. So what do you hate about it?
Too low.
Too low?
Yeah.
Yeah, but
you can't go over speed bumps.
But at the same time, I like the fact that it's low.
Yeah, but you can't, you can't go anywhere. So here are the struggles of getting the car in and out of the drive. Oh, oh, there he goes. Off he pops. There he goes to get his wood. Look how pleased with himself he looks.
Well, I mean, the fact getting here was a nightmare, is a bit irrelevant.
Didn't fit over a speed bump.
These bloody, look how big they are, there's no need to be this big. That, I'm going to have to get the bit of wood on this one massive. This one's full muscle. That's why it's a pain in the arse. So low.
Right, let's conquer these speed bumps.
One of about 8.
Oh, the birds are laughing at you.
That's disgusting. One down. How many more is it? There's literally
about 20.
Everyone get bigger, I swear. But for now, what do you like about the car? What are we saying?
What I don't.
Oh, what you don't like? Oh, right, okay, what you don't like. Go on and tell me what you don't like about it.
I can't see out the back window when you're driving because it pulls on it.
Yeah, the sticker. And it's tinted. Yeah. Yeah, in the dark, yeah, you just can't see anything. Like, if it's dark or steamed a tiny bit, because it's an old car, it steams up well fast. You just can't see anything out the rear window.
You basically just have to guess as well. If there's anything there or not.
Yeah, just use Dutch barking. If anyone screams or there's a bang, then you've gone too far. But then, what else don't you like about it?
You can't see the indicators.
Yeah, but that's
so
nothing to do with you.
No, I know. But every time there's another car and you go, they get angry.
Yeah,
it
true.
That's
the thing. Yeah, but it's nothing to do with. That's nothing that annoys you. Like when you're on the car, it's like, I can't see the front indicators.
Yeah, it's annoying because you make people angry.
Yeah, but you can put the indicators on. You can see them like now. Put the hazards on. Just press it. Just put the hazards. Yeah, I mean you can see them all night now because the light's not on. But when the lights are on, you can't see anything. I mean, something else I don't really like is the fact it's convertible, but I kind of do like that it's convertible as well. I used to don't like convertible cars, but it's pretty cool having a convertible car. Oh,
what?
The phone's connected to the speaker. But yeah, so
it plays music by itself.
But yeah, I mean, the fact it's a convertible is a bit annoying because it means we've got to get a hard top and a roll bar before we take it around. Do some drift days. What are you doing? But yeah, we need a hard top or a roll bar before we can go on drift days, so that's why it's a bit of annoying. But it's going to be pretty cool when the weather gets nice. It was sunny this morning when we first came here because we thought, yeah, we'll have the roofs down. But yeah. Okay, I think we should move on to things that we do like about the car,
okay.
like we originally planned. Okay. So things we do like, how low it is, because it looks sick. I like how it looks. That's a good one, right? I like how it looks. It's a pretty cool car. It's like not your average looking mx5. One you actually like this time, is there? Okay, go on then.
I like the colour. It's very original. And it's a primer.
Looks like primer, but it's not.
Is it actually not?
No,
I thought
it's not a
it genuinely was.
No, it's not a primer.
Oh.
Smooth valve control.
Oh.
Spray paint low pressure. Oh, there it is, look. London Grey.
Oh.
Doesn't say primer. Matte paint. No, it's not a primer. Actually, while the boot's open, another one that's not that good, but it doesn't really matter that much, is the boot's really small. You can't get much in the boot, I suppose. I mean, there was a coat in there that pretty much filled it. And when we go on track days, I was supposed to get loads of wheels in there. Oh no, it's gonna...
What's that?
This is the wire. This is the... We have to take all this off to get this back in the boot. Well, we need to take all this off anyway. I don't know, it's just playing on itself. Okay, there's a lot that we don't like at the minute. It should have been a light video, but the boot's not that big. I mean, what? How are you going to fit your girlfriend in there? Like, do you reckon you get in? No. Well, go on, try. Get in the boot. See if you can get in the boot. Go on, just get in. Go on, get in. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. This is a kidnapping. This is a kidnapping. They don't need to know. It's fine. Go on, see if you can get in. I'll let you out afterwards, promise. Oh, that's...
I'm in. Can't get my head in.
You can't get your head in? What about if you put your bum further on this, put your feet further on this way?
Can you stop filming? Oh, what is life? Yes. My bum's too big.
Right, that's Sophie out the way then. Sofa!
I don't like it. But like it's been very loud.
Go for it, go for it. But no, the car is amazing. Like, driving it, I said in the first video, it just feels exactly like a go-kart. There's no other way to describe it but like a go-kart. Like,
yeah, it's fast.
Well,
and small. Everything feels like a G-Wagoon.
Yeah, well, it's not fast. It feels it because we're so low.
Fast.
It's not. It feels
it's
it
like
so...
nippy.
Yeah, nippy. That's the right word. Yeah, that's what I mean. It's like a go-kart because it's little and it's like nippy. So yeah, it just feels fast.
Things feel giant. You're driving along in a Fiat 500. It's like
massive. The gears. I like the gears. The feel of the gears. The gears feel awesome when you're doing it. I'm not going to do it now because the clutch isn't in. I bloody love it, but it's well hard to talk about the car. I mean, to be fair, the thing about these cars though, is mostly the things that people like the most about them is driving them. Like the drive, the feel, the drive. The drive and how you feel when you're driving it is just the best part. So that's what we'll do. We'll drive it and we'll say what we like about it driving the car. Oh, we've got to get past these mountains.
The mountainous speed bumps. Speed bump valley, part 2.
Shall we just drive with the roof down or shall we put the roof up?
Let's do it down because it's warm.
Is it? Is it?
Yeah, I know you put the heating on.
Yeah, I'll put the heating. They'll be warm when the heating's on.
Yes.
Oh my goodness. That's a big speed bump. I'm not going to get over that.
Oh dear. I can't watch, my bum is clenched. Oh no!
That's okay.
Okay, that one wasn't bad. Mission complete, well done. That was the stupidest antic.
the brothers on the rise now. Endless celebrations all in my house. Levitating now, I'm super duper fly now. London boy, but these
How did you get in here? That's a little space for a lot of ass.
quit it, cause I know I'm coming with it.
It's a great idea.
Playing Quidditch and my business is humongous. You would think that happens in there.
We're literally like idiots that you see like why they got their roof. It makes weather.
So why them kept on the roof down? It's not anymore.
Like an effing ball cap. Man, I came
I can see all the world on the roof now. Like, really? That's all I can see is like higher height everywhere on the roof. When we had really cold, the folks all off the door.
They saying I'm the man, facts bro. Lot of haters, tell me where they at though. I'm the new pop, all I do is rap though. Want me on your song, throw a couple stacks, yo. Woo! Everybody wanna do the same thing, yup. That's why we ain't on the same page. Do my own thing, and I maintain. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. Yeah, I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream.
This is Callum Gilman with the mx5.